Who's that handsome devil? Seventh week of training, starting this Tuesday with 1 hour zone 2 run. This Tuesday is a big day for my life. I'm officially starting my IT career, or I basically started it before, but this is the first time I join a big company, and yeah, looking forward to it. Let's go. It's currently 7 AM. I have a feeling that the following 23 weeks until Ironman are going to be hardcore, but hey, that's why I'm alive, to be hardcore. I think this is the year that I'm really starting to tap into human potential. I can feel it. One hour, 10.3 kilometers. That was a good one. Man, I might even like running. Now I'm gonna go home, shower, go to work, and in the afternoon swimming. By the way, I got a new haircut. What do you think? I think it looks pretty iron.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Gonna spend an hour swimming. After work swimming. Feeling good. Let's go. Boom. One hour and minutes later. Did it, felt okay. I broke my thumbnail. Damn, that hurts.
The next day.
Hello again, it is 5 PM, 5:22, and I'm starting my Wednesday workout, which includes 45 minutes of biking, zone 2, and 15 minutes of zone 2 running. So it is a brick workout. Okie dokie. That was a good one. Whew. See you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning. Alright, good morning, 7 AM. I'm starting my biking to my work. Let's go. This is not my triathlon bike. So, yeah. She's got an electric bike. Cheater. I'm 7 kilometers in. I really thought it would be an easy ride, but these roads have high altitude change, so I can tell I'm sweaty. Good I took another t-shirt with me. Alright, it took me 50 minutes. Here's my bike. Now, time to grind. Alright, 4 PM. Got out of work. Great day at work now. Let's go swimming. Feels good, man. Such a great weather. Such a great day. I'm getting biking directions to the swimming hole with these earphones. Need to turn left here. Alright, made it here. 25 minutes, 7.5 kilometers. No, 7.15 kilometers.
A few inches later.
Not today, Satan. Alright, gonna end Thursday with this. I just published Forging Iron Week 6. And yeah, I'm not gonna do one of 100 RPM cadence cycling because I've cycled quite much today. So I'm not gonna be overly neurotic about that. I'm sure it's more than enough. But yeah, good night. See you tomorrow. Time to go to work. 9 hours later, here we are. Let's go for a run. This is a zone to run. I'm not out of breath, but I feel like my muscles can't keep up with this pace like easily. Of course I can hold this, but this is not pleasant for my muscles. Well, that's why I'm training. LFG! Ain't no brain that can hold me down. Not even my own. Son senderos que no camine. Halfway done. Turn around. Damn, this warmth is feeling good. It's feeling good, the sun. Alright, I have 2 minutes left, so I can take a shortcut in the woods. Oh, this is quite fun, to be honest, until I fall down. Oh, this might be icy. Oh shit. It's icy. "45 seconds left. Let's go." All right. 1 hour 50 minutes at 12.7 kilometers. Good Friday, zone to run. Feeling great. Look, a plane. A plane. Look. All right, it's Saturday, 10 a.m. I'm starting my biking session in a minute. Today I'm gonna bike with my brother. We're gonna go outside because the weather is okay. Let's see how it goes. 2.5 hours in the agenda. Let's see how it goes. This is my first time biking with this bike outside. Let's see how this is gonna go. Well, I can tell this is much faster than the bike I went to work with. Well, no shit, Sherlock. Let's go, if I can find my brother in the woods. All right, little break. Little break. Ice cream break. Wow, this is delicious. pretty fun this is. Oh, not this. Not this. Finnish country roads. Take me home to the place I belong. Alright, let's continue. Whew. Last hill. Feeling good, man. Feeling good. All right. 2 hours, 2 minutes. And 42 kilometers left. This one a little short, but that's okay. Not gonna be too neurotic about that. But yeah, was good biking session. Was great. It's much more pleasurable here than indoors. So definitely gonna keep biking outside. Yeah.
The next day.
Nyt on vähän niinku... Mä näen tän. Alright, had to leave this one 45 seconds short because it would be too much for me. Alright, time to test Balkan grill. Waiting for the burger. Wow, this is really tasty. Best grill I've been to. 5 out of 5. Balkan grill. 5 out of 5. Thank you for watching this long. See you next week. Stay luego.